The best performers of the session on the were Walt Disney Company, New York Stock Exchange, which rose 2.03% or 2.00 points to trade at 100.64 at the close. Meanwhile, Chevron Corporation, New York Stock Exchange, added 1.78% or 2.05 points to end at 117.04, and Intel Corporation, NASDAQ, was up 1.37% or 0.63 points to 46.70 in late trade. The worst performers of the session were Verizon Communications Inc, New York Stock Exchange, which fell 3.99% or 1.89 points to trade at 45.53 at the close. DowDuPont Inc, New York Stock Exchange, declined 1.29% or 0.92 points to end at 70.24, and Wal-Mart Stores Inc, New York Stock Exchange, was down 1.09% or 0.98 points to 88.70. The top performers on the S&P 500 were Michael Kors Holdings Limited, New York Stock Exchange, which rose 14.70% to 54.62, Chesapeake Energy Corporation, New York Stock Exchange, which was up 11.76% to settle at 4.180, and 21st Century Fox Incorporated, NASDAQ, which gained 9.93% to close at 27.45. The worst performers were Henry Schein Incorporated, NASDAQ, which was down 9.79% to 70.04 in late trade, Cisco Corporation, New York Stock Exchange, which lost 4.39% to settle at 54.17, and Packaging Corporation of America, New York Stock Exchange, which was down 4.13% to 110.96 at the close. The top performers on the NASDAQ Composite were Topships Incorporated, NASDAQ, which rose 133.33% to 1.6800, Diana Container Ships Incorporated, NASDAQ, which was up 80.11% to settle at 20.1900, and Helios and Matheson Analytics Incorporated, NASDAQ, which gained 47.15% to close at 14.200. The worst performers were Tivity Health Incorporated, NASDAQ, which was down 34.24% to 31.60 in late trade, Shunlei Limited UDRA, NASDAQ, which lost 25.09% to settle at 8.51, and Medical Transcription Billing Corporation, NASDAQ, which was down 24.56% to 3.0100 at the close. Rising stocks outnumbered declining ones on the New York Stock Exchange by 1868 to 1253, and 106 ended unchanged. On the NASDAQ Stock Exchange, 1285 rose and 1226 declined, while 139 ended unchanged. Shares in Michael Kors Holdings Limited, New York Stock Exchange, rose to 52-week highs, up 14.70% or 7.00 to 54.62. Shares in Henry Schein Incorporated, NASDAQ, fell to 52-week lows, losing 9.79% or 7.60 to 70.04. Shares in 21st Century Fox Incorporated, NASDAQ, rose to 52-week lows, up 9.93% or 2.48 to 27.45.